So would you believe that you can make a bacon dill ranch cheeseburger using no oil, no wheat, no refined sugar, and no rice that tastes absolutely delicious? Well, you can. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to make this burger is some of my veggie ground. Now, I'm sure if you've been following my videos, you're familiar with this, but if you're not, then you can click on this link right here and it'll show you the veggie ground. So I'm going to take my veggie ground and to make sure that these burgers form together well and stay together well, I'm going to add some chickpea flour and also some ground flax. So I've had several people write me and ask how to turn the veggie ground into burgers that won't fall apart, and this is how you do it. As I mentioned, I'm adding some chickpea flour, and that definitely helps them to hold together. Along with that, I'm adding some ground flax seeds, which also helps to bond them and adds some healthy fat for flavor. And remember, because I'm adding the chickpea flour, it's going to dilute the flavor of the veggie ground just a little. So to offset that, I'm adding some extra garlic. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Okay, so now our burgers are done. All that's left to do is to put them together. So it's time to put everything together. And this is the part of the video that I really want you guys to pay attention to and think about. Everything that you're seeing here was made right here in my kitchen, healthy vegan style. Everything from the burger, to the cheese, to the buns, to the bacon, to the dill ranch sauce was made with no oil, no wheat, no refined sugar, and no rice. So what I'm getting at is that make your own is not just a slogan, it's something that I really do. And these recipes will empower you to do the same. And all the food is absolutely delicious. Okay, so I got my burger all put together. And I want you guys to think about what we have here. We've got a dill ranch bacon vegan cheeseburger, all made with no oil, no wheat, no refined sugar, no rice. The bun is healthy vegan. The bacon is healthy vegan. The cheese is healthy vegan. The dill sauce is healthy vegan. This is the essence of healthy vegan eating, and I can't wait to give it a try. Okay, so here we have it. A healthy vegan dill ranch bacon cheeseburger. Let's give it a taste. That's a delicious burger.